Hello students, today we are going to learn the last lesson of honeycomb and the title of the chapter is the history of cricket. Students, you may be or you all are familiar with the cricket, and generally nowadays cricket has become very famous all over the world, and here we are going to discuss about the cricket. So far the history of the cricket is having a long time period, and if we talk about the history, definitely certain things are there which we do not know. Today we are having different type of formats. You might have seen T20 is there, and one day is there, then test match is there. But what is the history behind that? Let us see through this story. Yes, history of the cricket. Cricket is one of the form of the many games played with a ball and bat in England from past 500 years. Students, if we talk about the cricket, today definitely we are having different type of rules, this and that, and we are having different type of equipments. But behind this cricket there are many stories. One of that, the cricket which is played today is having many formats, but it has many games played behind that. In the beginning you might have seen, if you see the picture is given here. Before, people were using this type of bat. It looks like hockey stick, and you can see here according to the time period the bat is given here. You can see 16th century what type of bat was used, and if we talk about the 18th century, you can see here in the picture that how the players were using the bat, and 18th century, then 19th, then 20, then 21st century, and according to the time period many rules and regulations are also changed as the demand of the time. It involved as a distinct games around 17th century. Initially during the mid of the 18th century, the bat used to be like the hockey stick, curving outwards, as the writer says how the bat was used by the players. And if we compare this bat to today's generation, definitely you will find many differences. Let us see the next. The test matches played in cricket are the only format of any game that is played for 5 days and can still end in a draw. Nowadays we people do not take interest to watch test matches, but in the beginning of the cricket history, if you see that the test match, this was most important thing, that was the main test of cricket. Even today also, if you see, certain players are there which are playing test matches, and today we see there are different players who play different type of formats. If we talk about the test matches, you will find different players. If we talk about one day, you will find different type of players. Or if we talk about T20, and which is liked by each and every person. So cricket is one of the most famous game for the world. Another interesting aspect of cricket is that the length of the pitch is 22 yards, but the size of the ground remains unspecified. There are oval as well circular cricket ground. If we talk about the past time, that means if we talk about the previous period of the cricket, definitely there were certain limits. Even today also, according to time, we have changed the rules and regulations. But if we talk about the past, you will find that the length of the pitch is 22 yards, but the size of the ground remains unspecified. There are oval as well as circular cricket ground. You can see the test cricket team, how they are playing. Now we will come to know about the rules of the cricket. Rules about the cricket were first written around 1744. That means if we talk about today's, definitely it is a long time period. That time certain rules and regulations were written in 1744. It gave the umpires the power to resolve any disputes. Now certain things are changed today, but the umpire is given important person or important key to solve the resolve of any disputes, and it specified the stumps to be 22 inches high and the bails across them to be 6 inches. You all know practically, you do not need to describe much more about this, because this is something practical which we know today more than other games. And the ball weight around 5 or 6 ounces, and the distance between the two sets of stamp was 22 yards, and this was the thing which was written in 1744. And you can see some Indian players are playing here. And what is the role of umpire? You can see here how this gentleman is judging certain things. Then comes the first cricket club came in existence in Hambledon in 1760. The first cricket team club, and this was formed in 1760s. The first leg before law was published in 1744, and it was around the same time that the third stump became popular, and this leg before law was published in 1744. This was the most important thing. By the 1780s, the matches were played for around 3 days, and the first 6 symbol was also created in the same time. Now see, the 1780s, the matches were played for around the 3 days, and though we are talking about test matches, in the day by day, how they change the rules and regulations. You can see how these players are playing. The player who is running for run, and the umpire how he is behaving there. You can see their body language, and the person who is very famous here, you may be all are familiar with this gentleman. Next, the cricket equipments. Now according to the time period, how they changed the ball even. You can see 1977, what type of ball was there, how they were using, or what type of equipments you can see here. The most important equipments associated with the cricket continues to be handmade still today. If we talk about bat, definitely bat is made of wood, but still it is handmade today. In the beginning also it was like that, and today also it is handmade. They are made up of natural and pre-industrial materials. The bats are handmade of cork, leather and twine. These are the material which are used to make a bat. Which are there? Cork is there, then leather and twine. Only the protective equipments like the pads, you can see here the picture of pads, gloves and helmet, synthetic material like rubber etc. are used, and you all are familiar with this equipment. if you have not used it practically, then you can see here, and you might have seen the players who are playing with this. Then cricket was first played in India in Bombay by the Parsis community. It is said that in India the first cricket players from the Parsi community, and it is said that Parsi community, they were very rich and they had different type of clubs, and club was the place where almost businessmen or certain rich people used to come there and have fun, and certain type of meeting they used to arrange. And during that time they used to be a part of a team, and that way they made a particular club, and that club was known as Gymkhana. Now in the Gymkhana, definitely the people who were coming there, they used to have their exercise, and during that time they used to talk, they used to meet different type of people, and that way they made a team and they started particular game whom we call cricket from the Gymkhana, and those people were Parsi. The Oriental Cricket Club, founded in Bombay in 1848, was the first Indian cricket club. Who was there? Oriental Cricket Club, founded in Bombay in 1848. That means it is too past, too old, and the Parsis had to built their own Gymkhana following a quarrel with the whites for the Bombay Gymkhana. Now during that time British were also there, and they used to fight with Parsis. Why? For Gymkhana. So far they were also using Gymkhana, and Parsis were also using Gymkhana, and Gymkhana was the place where almost rich people and certain type of businessmen, they used to get together and had this type of game. In 1889, the Bombay Gymkhana team was defeated by the Parsi team. Now what happened? When people were, or British and Parsis, they were fighting for certain type of Gymkhana, and they had a match, and during that time the match was played between Parsi people and white people, that means British. They had a match, and Parsi people defeated British, and that way they had ownership of Bombay Gymkhana. This was something, a very famous place during that time. You can see here how these Parsi people are playing, and these are Parsi, British people, Parsi people, and this is empire, how they are judging all these things. Now modern cricket and use of technology. Now according to the time, many things are changed. If we talk about bat is also changed nowadays. How, what type of bat people are using, or this player are using. Modern cricket is dominated by Test and One Day international format. Some of the great players whom we all finally remember are ones who have played in the Test cricket. C.K. Naidu is one such a great player. If we talk about the past time, C.K. Naidu was the player who had played the first cricket match, and he is remembered for that achievement, and the one who had played in a Test cricket, not one day, but Test cricket was played. C.K. Naidu is one of the most famous person. He was also the first test captain of India. It is also said that he was also first test cricket captain. Who? C.K. Naidu. India became a test playing cricket in 1932. That means when British were here, definitely we Indians, we watched them and we followed them, and slowly India also established a team and they played first match in 1932, many years before it got its independence. After that, test cricket initially was played among various parts of British Empire and not between sovereign states. The first test was played between England and Australia, and the test cricket which was played between Britain and Australia, that was the first test match. And before that, Indian cricket team and British, they used to have practice. Even if we talk about Parsi people, they also supported, and like that they mingled each other and they learned different type of things. And if you see this gentleman whom we call the first test player of India, he was C.K. Naidu. The television coverage has brought cricket to every household. Yes, now before, when the television was not there, definitely all people were not familiar with this game. But slowly when the television coverage has brought cricket to every household, media played a major role to make it very famous. With the satellite television, it is now possible to catch live updates of match played anywhere across the world. Now today it is very easy to see how the games are going on, whether it is playing in our country or in abroad or anywhere, whether it is national or international. India has the largest viewership of the game and is the largest market for cricket. Yes, so far our national game is hockey, but then also cricket has become more famous than hockey even. 150 years ago, our Parsi ancestors had to struggle to play the game, but today Indian cricket players are the best paid and the most famous in the world. So far as we discuss about the Parsi people or Parsi community was the first community who played cricket first in India, though during that time they struggled to play it because during that time we were under control of British. So far, but then also Indians also showed interest to play cricket, and if we talk about today cricket has become very famous not only in India but all over the world. So this was the story about the cricket, and I hope you understood the story. This is not a story, it is the reality of the game. Behind this game, who people were there who started this and how did they start it and what type of equipment they were following during that time. And today it is clear that how the players are taking advantage of that history. Thank you.